So this is the activity of tree seedlings maintenance. As you can see, we are trying to weeding the tree so that to try to remove all those weeds around to let our seedlings growing in good conditions. And because we are here in buffer zone, herbs are growing very fast because there is no much activity here as is not allowed. So herbs they are growing so fast, so we need to maintain the seedlings and the trees, as you can see. And if we move forward in this area, we have a team of women and men. They are trying to help us for the maintenance. As you can see here, what they are doing as activity, they are trying to remove all weeds around all trees so that the trees can grow in good condition. As you can see, most of them, they are women. And they are helpers for this kind of activity. Just come, let's go and see. So, this is the first batch of our trees. And as you can see now, they are almost around 50 centimeters, if you can imagine. So, this is takes much effort to maintain a tree at this level. So we are hoping that this tree now is going to be without any problem. Whatever the dry season, the rain season, it's almost finished. So if you can see all this area, we have a different trees, and this is a part of the project. And the activity is helped by the community themselves. So this is a part of involving the community in what we are doing as activity. Just come closer here and let's try to see. Like for example, for this one, we still have some problems because some community they are bringing the cows here, and the cows sometimes they come for grazing around, and we still have this as a challenge. But as we are working with the local government, at the district level, we are reporting the problem to the government. But hopefully, we will not have a much problem about this issue, and because it will be solved very good. Yeah, so just briefly what I wanted to show you as activity. And as you can see, we put just one tree, almost 1.5 meters, because we are just a forest landscape restoration. That's why we put so many trees around, so that they cover the area which is not covered by trees. But if we are going for forest, for agroforestry, we will change the system. Because here just we are covering the land by trees, that's why we put a small distance between two trees. But if you are going for agroforestry here, if you show the image around there, in the farming system, one tree between another will be 7 meters, so to allow farmers to continue to cultivate other crops. Yes.